What is today? Oh my goodness, December 3rd already. December 3rd. So, today is the Christmas party. I've got a new dress on. I've got new boots. I actually did my nails. And I'm sitting here drinking coffee. Sorry about the shadow, but I don't have much choice this morning. It is not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet because our bus is supposed to come and get us around 10 this morning. And I was like, that's really early. But that's what they told me. So I got up. I went ahead and got dressed so I could sit here and do some work on my channel. And also just to sit and have my coffee and make sure that I had everything I needed to take to the party this morning. So thank you so much for tuning in to my Vlogmas. You guys have been leaving me the sweetest comments, and I just love the positivity and the Merry Christmases and all that. So please keep that coming. That is a big encouragement to someone who takes the time to do these videos. I do not get paid to do these videos, and I am doing this because this is like a hobby to me and a connection with you guys, and I just love to do it. So I'm just putting that out there. Every now and again, I will get sponsored, but they don't pay me. I just get the merchandise for free, and that's it. So that is that. I just thought I would put that out there. But I do love making YouTube videos, and I thought about quitting, but I tell you, I just can't, because some of you guys have been with me since my son had cancer and have been with me a whole long time. Do you guys know that now don't quote me, between the 28th and the 30th of this month, this will be my 10th year making YouTube content. I never did it to make money. I never did it to be famous. No way. But I will say that the outcome out of it has been wonderful, because I have made wonderful friendships with some very good people, and that has been worth it, the experience alone. I love sharing with you guys. I feel like when I first started this channel, it was because, I started watching a lot of YouTube because my son had cancer. By the way, if you're new, he's completely cancer-free, just turned 23 years old. He is doing wonderful. So I'm just going to put that out there first. But we went through, a few years of a very hard time, him battling leukemia. And I started watching a lot of YouTube, and I started watching a lot of women who was about saving money and decorating your house on a budget and all this stuff. And it was encouraging to me. And I felt like I wasn't alone. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I didn't feel like I was like on a planet by myself as a mom and as a wife at the time. And it was a very good thing for me. And so one day I was talking to my son, and I said, I wish I could do YouTube. And he said, why can't you? And so then that began the whole thing of doing YouTube. I knew nothing about editing. I knew nothing that you could even make money doing this. I didn't know anything about lighting. My videos were very choppy and incomplete and dark. It was terrible. So if you are one of those people that have been watching me since those days, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really do. I mean, I genuinely, from my heart, really appreciate each and every one of you. Like I said, today is a Christmas party at Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind. If you are new to my channel, my husband is completely blind. I am legally blind and partially deaf. And we belong to an organization that supports people with vision loss. And they offer transportation. They offer classes and advice and I don't even know, accessibility to items that can help us live day to day, like things that would enlarge, like magnifiers, readers, audio players. And they let you be aware of things that are available to you as a person that is visually impaired. You have to live in this area to belong to the organization. And Ronnie and I are super, super blessed to have them, because they have offered us a lot of help. They take a lot of individuals to doctor's offices. They give them assistance in grocery shopping. They also set up where you can go to the gym and a lot of recreation and different things. They plan trips and things that people like Ronnie and I would never have access to without them. So if you are looking for someone to donate to or an organization to donate to, I will leave a link down below in the description box for any of you guys that might want to make a contribution to a organization that absolutely makes a difference. The director's name is Tony. I actually go to church with her. She is a good lady. She is all heart, and she genuinely cares about people who are struggling with their vision loss. They offer rehabilitation services for those that are blind and visually impaired. And anytime that I have ever needed help, I know I needed help doing some of my banking one time, they stepped in and helped me. They made copies and faxed things for me that I did not have access or the ability to do. They have set me up with my audio out. Actually, Ronnie and myself are audio readers through the library that is available to people who cannot read standard print size. He obviously can't see it all. He does read Braille, though. They were the ones that contributed in making something that I wanted to happen for Ronnie. They got him in the entire Braille set. Now, understand, Braille, a Bible to us is like this thick. Braille is volumes, okay? So it's in a bookshelf upstairs in his office, and it's the entire Braille set of the Bible, the New Testament and the Old Testament. So with that being said to you guys, they do offer a lot of stuff. Ronnie and I have taken classes over there. There was a class called Go Maps where I can use my phone and it would actually tell me where I was located and how far I was to places that I wanted to get to. For instance, Go Maps is located in our local mall. So if I can't read the signs in the mall, and of course, because it's our mall and I've been there several times, I know the layout of the mall. But say that I didn't, I could get on Go Maps and it would actually read to me, like say I was at Macy's trying to find pennies, it would tell me how to get to Macy's, from Macy's to JCPenney's, so that I would have an idea so that I could, go the right direction and not get lost. So yeah, there's a lot of things that Cabell Wayne does to assist individuals that are blind and visually impaired. And like I said, I've not been asked to mention them in any of my videos. They're not paying me. I don't make any money. I am just telling you that if you want to make a contribution to an organization that really does make a difference in people's lives, I will link Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired's website down below in case you want to do that. That's a mouthful this morning. Anyhow, I thought this was really funny. I'm enjoying my coffee, and look, it matches my dress. Did I tell you I had a thing for buffalo plaid? Yes, I do. I have a thing. But I love this dress when I found it. And it's like a one piece. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but it's not all this one buffalo plaid. It actually has two different kinds of, I don't know, designs so that you don't look like a tablecloth in it. But it is so soft and it is so comfortable. And I know you guys seen when I bought it at Gabe's and I loved it. I'm wearing my little stud star earrings. I don't know if you can see them or not. There we go. Ronnie bought me for Christmas last year. I love them. And I've got my brand new boots on that when I found these boots, I could have cried in the store because I never find boots that fit me and that I absolutely love. So yes, I'm all dressed up. Well, as dressed up as I'm going to get. I curled my hair a little bit this morning and put on some makeup because I'm old. And my son, he was like, you need to color your hair. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about me considering going all natural. After the gray got about this long in the top of my head, I was like, no, that's got to go. So I colored my hair. So today we're going to have fun. My sweetheart is all dressed up. I will be sharing pictures of today's event over on Instagram. And if you want to make a donation, the website will be down below in the description box. Let's get this day started. But first, I'm going to finish my coffee. Are you ready to eat?
I'm ready, baby. I tell you what, it's wonderful to be here, and I tell you, I always look forward to these, and it looks like everybody got
A big crowd.
a nice crowd. So I believe we're going to have a good time today.
Merry Christmas!
Just watch the pies.
We are home from the Christmas party. It was very, very nice. I mean, they really went all out this year and they piled on the food this year.
We're not hungry for a little
No. You didn't need seconds. They made sure that your plate was full. You know, there's a lot of people that depend on Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired, to the point that really it's their only recreation or, you know, their whatever they look forward to at Christmas time. So today was a big party and they always make it special. Everybody goes home with something. I won, which you'll see in the video, a Noel sign. Ronnie won some snowman, ornaments, really cute. And then, see what else did we get? Oh, every place setting got an ornament. So I got a little marshmallow snowman and Ronnie got a, like, what was it? Snowflake cookie like ornament. Really, really cute. Really cute. I got hot in there. It got hot. There was a lot of people, but we had such a good time. Santa Claus came. Mrs. Claus came. They did the raffle thing. We all won, and we had wonderful dessert. Ronnie had, what, pecan pie?
I did. It was real good.
And I had chocolate pie, which was delicious. They had coconut cream pie, apple pie, and they had cherry pie. So I heard that the cherry pie was not everybody's favorite, but
It was not.
it wasn't done all the way through.
No, it wasn't done all the way through.
Anyhow, but nobody wanted cherry pie anyways. Everybody wanted the other stuff anyhow. Let me tell you, the chocolate pie, the other day I seen a video with somebody making chocolate pie and I thought, man, I'd love to have a big piece of you know, silky chocolate pie, and I got it today. So that was really, really good. It's always good to see everybody who works at Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind. They're super sweet people, and they do a lot of work. They also gave out awards today. So we had 2 Employees of the Year. And what was the other award for, hon? It was Employee of the Year, and what was the other one for?
Well, I remember the Employee of the Year, but she gave it to 2 people.
Yes, but there was one lady, and I can't remember if it was Employee or Volunteer of the Year. It wasn't Volunteer, was it?
I don't think so.
I can't remember. Oh well, I cannot remember. But she was not able to be there today, the one that won. But the Employees of the Year, they were there, and they got plaques, and that was so nice of them. The director's husband was there and attended, and he took a lot of pictures and stuff. Like I said, Santa Claus was there, and for everybody's children, there are children that are visually impaired that belong to the association, and they got to spend some time with Santa Claus, and they got a gift from Santa, which was so nice. So yes, it was very, very nice. Even the bus ride was fun.
Oh, yeah.
Even the bus ride was fun. I got to see my friends. They had a, I don't even know what you call it. They had like a selfie station or like a photo place, and it was like with a Christmas background and the Grinch. I thought that was really cute. I got my picture taken with the Grinch. We both got our picture taken with the Grinch. It was so nice. Anyhow, I'm going to sit here, and in a little bit, I'm going to change my clothes and get into my at-home clothes. Probably a t-shirt and jeans. But for right now, we are sitting here enjoying a cup of hot tea just to get a little bit awake, and then I'll see what kind of trouble I can get into for the rest of the day.